Hello, my name is Owen Dowell.
And I'm Comrade T-MAN.
And today we're going to be doing a new Zippo video. This is the Iced Paisley, model number 29431. And as you can see right there, maybe if it's focused enough. So the story of this Zippo is my friend T-Man here. He likes to occasionally smoke Marlboros.
Yes.
Yeah,
Marlboros, both. Well, actually now I only smoke Lucky Strikes, as you guys know on my channel. But back in the day, I smoked Marlboros back when we did this. And they had this little thing at the time, which is ending in December now, where you can enter your Marlboro codes that come on the packs of Marlboros, and you can enter them in and get yourself a Zippo. And we decided to go for the biggest Zippo, like the highest points that it costs you on the Marlboro website. So that's the one that we went for, and that was the Iced Paisley.
Yes. So that is exactly how the Zippo's been had. I've had this thing since probably December last year.
Yeah, I think it was December.
And nobody's made a video on it. He shipped it to my house because he, for some reason, couldn't get it to ship to his house. So that is the story of this Zippo. So I think what we're gonna do is we're going to flip the camera so we can get a closer look at it, and then we will show y'all more up close and get the first impressions that way. How's that sound?
That sounds good.
Cool. All right, so this is, like I said, the Iced Paisley model 29431. And let's go ahead. Would you like to do the honors since you haven't seen it yet?
Yeah, guys, this is going to be the first time I'm actually looking at this lighter because I've never seen it. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm not sure whether or not this one is engraved or actually... Oh, yeah, we haven't even opened it yet. Okay, guys, what I think this is engraving underneath that candy apple red type clear coated finish is what this is what it's looking like, at least to me.
Right.
What do you think?
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. If you've ever seen the Meadow Ice World Zippo, or the like I did in the past, the Cerulean Zippo, it's the same thing. This is the gray desk finish, so that's the overall finish on top of it. And let's see, is it double-sided? That is a good question.
Oh, I think it is. Yes, it is.
Yes, it appears to be, indeed. So that's pretty nifty. Stick that back there and take a closer look at that. So yeah, as you can see, this actually happens to be a double-sided finish. So what's going on here? On this side, we have got, I think the Iced Paisley, is that a kind of plant? Or is that
Or no, Iced Paisley. Like, Paisley is kind of like a 1970s design that kind of came back in the 1970s, because I've seen a lot of videos of like old car salesmen and stuff from like 1972, and they'll be wearing a Paisley tie, or they'll have like Paisley carpeting and stuff like that in the 70s.
Gotcha. So that's what we're looking at here. Kind of this similar sort of rendition of that take on Zippo. So there it is on this side. As you can see, it's very pretty, very intricate. As you can see, if we get up close, maybe you can see that a little better. Yeah, and then on this side, it's very, very well done, as we would expect from a company that has such good designing abilities. So this one in particular was made in March of 2020.
I've actually never gotten a lighter that's from C of 20, or not, or C of any year. Like out of all my collection.
Really?
I don't have any.
So that's actually, that is actually kind of interesting though, because March 2020 is obviously a very significant month as far as things go.
Yeah, in the world.
Yeah, that's actually kind of cool. I never noticed that. So the insert itself, if you take a look at that, was made in H of 2020, which would be August of 2020.
Yeah, quite a significant gap.
A little bit of a significant gap.
Yeah, I mean, it's not like a year.
Yeah, but you know, it'd be that way. So yeah, very, very cool design though. And yeah, for once we finally get to do a collaboration with Mr. T-Man over here.
Yep.
So
yeah.
yeah.
Of course, I'm still carrying my MCO lighter. Still.
You traitor.
No, I got my World War II one as well.
Oh, okay, that's fine. I'm not nearly as cool as that because I've just got, if I can get it out of my pocket, I've just got the 1941 replica. Although it looks looks
It's starting to look used.
It's
like
starting to look about the right way, but yeah, no, mine's a fair bit newer than his. His is like the real, legit thing, as you can see. So probably, well, this is now the oldest Zippo that's ever been featured on my channel, so that's pretty cool. But anyway, yeah, guys, that's I think that's gonna do it. Just a real quick random video we wanted to shoot since we happened to be together for once. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. If you did not like it, then just don't tell us, or send it to somebody you don't like. One of the two.
Yeah, they can. Well, once I open my PO box, they can send me hate mail.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. All right, everybody. Well, that's gonna do it for us. Thank you so very much for watching this video, and
Adios.
Adios. Start the recording, and then we will start this going. God.
I can't keep a straight face.
Oh, it goes too high.
Oh.
Oof. I have to set the memory. Oh no. And go.
What? Am I supposed to do the intro?
I don't know. This is so hard. Start that up. And fine. Wait, make sure it goes. Hello, my name is Owen Dowell.
And my name is Comrade T-MAN, or better yet, Tristan Mason, but that's my YouTube handle.
That was long.
Oh my god. Maybe we should read it. I don't know.
Pushed the wrong button.
Oh no. Yo, you know what would be funny is if we both had suits.
I know. What was that? That would be like Ashton's level right there. Gosh. Hello, my name is Owen Dowell.
This is Comrade T-MAN, and we have been planning to do a little collab for a while, and we have finally gotten it done, so I will let Owen.
Today we're going to be doing a new Zippo video, and we're going to be doing this one.
Indeed.
Yes. I don't like this.
Neither do I.
It's so good. No. And yeah, so the story of this Zippo. Okay, we're in. So the story of this.
We're gonna edit it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So the story of this Zippo.